everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an iPhone user, you know how important it is to keep your data safe. And today I'm going to show you how to back up your iPhone to iCloud. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into the process. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on your Apple ID from the top. After that, tap on iCloud. Next, tap on iCloud Backup from here. Now toggle on Backup this iPhone. If you want to back up your mobile data, toggle this on as well. And if you want to back up right away, hit the Backup Now button, and it will start to back up your iPhone to the iCloud. And there you have it. Now you know how to back up your iPhone to iCloud and keep all your precious data secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need help with anything else, drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.